beautiful, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Alexisjayda and welcome. So today's video I'm going to be doing a makeup look using the items that were in my BoxyCharm for January. So I'm very excited. So if this is something that you guys would like to see, continue watching. So first we're going to go in with eyebrows. This is the IT Cosmetics Brow Power and this is the Universal Eyebrow Pencil. Let's begin and fill in our brows. Okay, so first we're going to do our tail. So the harder that you push, the darker the eyebrow product will apply. And flick up right here and do some fake hair strokes. Now I'm gonna go in and clean up my brow. I will be using the Essence eyeshadow base, this one right here. Going to apply a little bit to the back of my hand, just like that. And we're just going to clean this up. Okay, now just to set that, I will be using my IT Cosmetics Brow Power Pomade. This is an eyebrow gel. This stuff keeps your eyebrows in place all freaking day. Okay, so now on to the eyeshadow part. Using my Tarte concealer. Using the TheMakeupShack T29, and we're just going to buff that out. See, so easy. And before I would use my finger, and now it doesn't have to get dirty. It's like nice. So I will be using my Covergirl Ready Set Gorgeous. Press that onto my eyelid just to make sure that everything stays put, and then when we're applying eyeshadow it just glides on like butter. So now going into the Glam Metal Eyeshadow Palette. That's one of the things that this palette does not have, but that's okay because girl, you know we have more than one. Okay, going in with this shade right here. This one is Black Metal. Going to apply that right in the crease and just blend that color. Okay, so now going in with the Wicked. Using a TheMakeupShack T67. I'm gonna pick that color up and just add it right there as well. Just right to the edge. Now going back in with the Tarte concealer. Putting a little bit on the back of my hand. I'm gonna add some right here. Now going in with Pump Rock, and I will be using a TheMakeupShack T51, and I will be using my JCat Beauty Makeup Primer Spray and add it right there. Okay, so now going in with the Wicked, using a Luxie 231 small tapering blending brush, and we're just going to lightly blend. Lightly blend. I'm going in with my LA Girl Felt Tip Liner, and we're just going to line just along our lash line. So I'm just going to do it just like that because I don't want to take away from the eye look. I will be applying the AOA Studio Lashes, and these are in the style Alexis. I did send them an email. They said that they would be restocking these very soon, so just stay tuned. Okay, so now moving on to my face. I will be using the Luminizer Primer Pores No More. You guys know I cannot pronounce the name, but this is from Dr.Brandt. Feels pretty good. It feels pretty cool. And it's leaving my face feeling like hydrated. Has a little shine going on. So now going with my makeup primer spray, and this is Jasmine. That smells so freaking good. It smells so good, you guys. Okay, so I will be mixing 2 foundations today. I will be mixing my Smashbox Studio Skin 15-Hour Wear, and this is in the shade 3.2, along with my Urban Decay shade 7.75. Just going to apply all over my face. So now I'm gonna blend it out using my Maybelline Beauty Sponge. Going in with my concealer using the Tarte Shape Tape. This is my favorite. Okay, so now going in with my JCat Beauty Contour Quad, and I will be using these 2 shades right here. Okay, so now using my LA Girl Pro Powder, and this is in the shade Banana. Okay, now going in with the Balm Cosmetics Bronze Powder. This is the Bahama Mama. This shade right here, look how beautiful that is. Using the TheMakeupShack T34. Now going in with the Pure Bronze and Brighten. I will be using a little bit of the bronze. This is my Real Techniques buffing brush. Just going to add just a little bit, just very tiny. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, now going in with the blush, using the Crown brush again. Now going in with the highlight. Dang, that is really, really, bam. Damn, holy moly. That's a lot. A little bit goes a long way. That is very pigmented. Do want to hit it in my inner eye though. Eyebrow one, other one, but the inner highlight, ooh, that is pretty. So now going in with my Ilia eyeliner, and this is in the shade Shadow Play. I'm going to add that just to the bottom lash line and just glide it on. Go in with some mascara. Okay, so now for our lips, I will be using my Kat Von D lip liner, and this is in Lolita. I'm just going to align my lips. Okay, now going in with the Grandelips. This is in the shade Dusty Taro, and we're just going to pump it. Takes a couple pumps. Oh, that's such a pretty color. I like the way they smell. I love this color. It's so freaking pretty. Let me zoom in so you guys can see it. It's so freaking pretty. Is that a gana? Oh, it is. Stressing. Oh no. So this is the end of my BoxyCharm makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already to keep updated with my videos. And let me know down below if this is what I should do for my future BoxyCharm videos. Te quiero mucho, you guys. Besos a todos. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.